polishing, off we go. Most of it has been done, so this will not take very long. You see, this is just dirt that I'm trying to get rid of. It sits on top, and below is whatever is left for paint. There is obviously a very fine line in taking too much or too little off. But this is the outcome of what I've just done. Okay, so I'm gonna go for the other side. I am only strictly using this product. I make sure that I change my piece of cloth regularly because it saturates and the actual product gets used up. This will immediately bring a shine. Obviously after this it's not protected, and I'm not going to protect it yet. Here we're dangerously close, it becomes very white already, so I'm stopping.